guys, Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas. So today, I am with the team at magkakaroon kami ng project headshot, no? Pero para may konting gimmick, no? Hindi micro four thirds or SLR camera na gagamitin namin. We're going to use the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Pero, we're going to shoot at RAW Max. Yan, RAW Max tayo. Dalawang beses, one RAW Max at saka portrait mode. Now, which one we will pick, no, later on, you will see side-by-side comparison of both photos and which one is better. Definitely, when you shoot at RAW Max, mas maganda yon kasi you have more control of the photo because you're shooting at RAW. No? Para siyang naka-log feature because you have more flexibility with the shadows, no, with the contrast and all of those things, no. So ngayon magkakaroon tayo ng parang project headshot using the iPhone 15 Pro Max with the rest of the team. So let's go. Louis. All right, Louis. So let's start with you, sir. We're gonna start first with portrait mode. Yeah. All right, portrait mode. Yeah, pwede kang dumikit ng konti lang. Yan. Okay, so straight lang tayo muna. Alright, so 3, 2, 1. And then shoot na you're comfortable posing. Like esports pose if you want. Esports pose. Ano yun? Ikaw bahala. Ikaw bahala. Yeah. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more. So we're going to shoot now at photo. Tapos naka RAW Max tayo ngayon. RAW Max. Pero ang RAW Max, we can only go probably 2 times. Yan, okay. Alright. Shot at RAW Max. 1, 2, 3. One more shot. Different pose. Wow. Seryoso ka ba dyan? Okay. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Something you can... Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Okay, all right. Next, we have Mr. Tortosa. Let's go. Portrait mode. Let's go with portrait. Naka-studio light lang tayo. 2x. Okay. Oh, right. Sige. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay, one more. Different pose. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay, next. RAW Max. Photo. RAW Max. 2 times. 1, 2, 3. One more shot. 1, 2, 3. Okay, one more. Para lang at least pasok. 1, 2, 3. Okay, next, Migs. Okay, it's very easy to shoot, no, with this.
Tatanggal ng manban.
Importante kasi sa iPhone. Pinto ka lang ng pindot ng gusto mo. Okay, with the portrait mode, with do studio light, you can go a bit and then pose in 3, 2, 1. Okay, one more shot. One more. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's do photo, portrait, RAW Max, 2x. Okay. Tagil ka ng konti. And then, smile. 1, 2, 3. Good. One more. Alright, one more. 1, 2, 3. Different pose. Okay. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Alright. Okay, so let's now move on to RAM. Lalabas po yung mga pagka-different ng ito. Okay, mas... Diyos ko po, kailangan natin mag-set dito ng bagong ano.
Sinasabi talaga eh.
Okay. Double tap. Okay. Alright. What? Ha? No, wala. Alright, 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, one more. Different pose. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 2 more. Photo, RAW Max, 2x. Alright. 1, 2, 3. One more. Different pose. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. And we have, last but not the least, si Grant Soriano. Grant Soriano? Right,
Sir, down here.
Huh?
Nakakala tayo sumusulsa, no?
Ha?
Susunod kay Gian, galing.
Okay. Alright. Sige. Portrait mode tayo 2 times. First shot. Wait, ayusin ko lang yung white level.
Koreano.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay. One more. Here naman. Pull up. Pull up na, bro.
Pull up,
bro. Yeah.
Para walang...
Yan.
Direct,
Sumaba eh.
direct retouch. Retouch po.
Retouch. Ito siya talaga. Iba talaga eh. Pinakababae. Okay, sige. One more. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Ay, guwapo. Yamitin ko dun say. Alright.
Ano yan, Pro Max?
Raw Max na tayo ngayon. Raw Max. We'll do Raw Max this time.
Raw.
So we can edit at post. No? Mas maganda pa. We can do crazy things. No? Kay Grant. Esports post. Alright?
Nakalabot kagawad.
Gusto mo ha? O, sige. Alright.
Kasi in-edit.
1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, one more. Last shot. Okay. 1, 2, 3, smile. Alright. Cut. Okay. So, I guess that's it, no? Now, we will show you the process of editing the photos shot at RAW Max. Give you guys a side-by-side comparison of shots on RAW Max, saka portrait. Obviously, okay na yung portrait mode, no? Kung wala ka naman sa studio setting, okay na yan, no? Pero kung halimbawa, meron ka mga background, gusto mo magkaroon ng background blur, you can do that also using the portrait mode. But if you don't want that, you can go RAW Max, do crazy things with it, change the other settings that you want. Di ako pinaka-hustler sa ganyan, no? Pero as much as possible, kung paano gagawin ko, no? Para mas mapaganda pa yung mga mukha ng mga to, no? Magaganda na mga mukha ng mga to pero we'll do that. But yeah, hopefully, no, you get to enjoy this type of video. Again, shot on iPhone 15 Pro Max, and you can get one at Beyond the Box and Digital Walker. So that's it, guys. It's been Gian of Gadget Pilipinas. See you in the next video. Bye.